Up close.
Okay, let's see if we can get his tongue sucking up the nectar.
That's cool.
Let me zoom in a little bit.
Oh,
Whoop.
where is it? How you can prove it? I can see his tongue. Yeah, you can
See that? Oop, ready to go.
There. They are so close. But see,
There's another one.
1, 2. I want to see 2. Most of them try.
Did we lose the other two?
I think so. Or maybe they're all the way on the other side. Let's see.
No,
Oh, one's right there.
There he's way back there. See?
There's
Where'd he go?
one right there. Oh, can I take a picture?
Oh, there's one over here.
That's the one that
Ooh,
we
isn't he
just.
pretty?
That was the one that you just got pictures of.
Oh, look at the bumblebee.
Oh.
What was that? No, don't just scare him. I think that's a cabbage moth.
Yeah, it looks like one. Yes, it is. Cool. Can I take some pictures?
There's the cabbage moth.
Take a picture quickly. Can I take one?